Alright, sorry guys, don't know what happened there. So let's look at this. So what I would do is I would go ahead and take care of everything over here. Remember, according to our order of operations, it says get rid of your parentheses first. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. And I'm going to leave everything over here the same for right now. Okay? So 4x plus 3x is 7x. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So I get 5x plus 2. Alright. Now, start using everything you know about solving equations. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. And guys, it is so important for you to make sure that you are showing all of your steps. So I have 2x minus 3. That cancels out. So I have 2 left over here. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I get 2x. That cancels out is equal to 5. And so divide by 2. X is equal to 5 halves or 2 and a half. 2.5. Alright, so you could use a calculator if you want to go back and prove that this is true. You would go back and plug in 2 and a half in for x and see that it would be equal. If an equation involves fractions, find the least common denominator of the fraction and multiply both sides by the least common denominator. This is sometimes referred to as clearing the equation of fractions. So that's the last part that we're going to do. We're going to look at something that deals with fractions. Alright? So we're on page 26 now. And guys, this is actually day 12. I said this was day 11. It's day 12, so don't get confused. Day 11 was simply doing work for the last section that you did. Alright, so page 26, solving a linear equation involving fractions. So I have 5y minus 2 over 8 is equal to 2 plus y over 4. So remember it says find the least common denominator. So you're looking for something, you've got a denominator of 8 and a denominator of 4. I need something that both 8 and 4 will go into. Guys, if I find the least common denominators here, remember that is simply writing down things they have in common. So 8, 16, 24. Look at what they have in common here. The smallest one is 8. So I'm going to multiply everything through by 8. I've got to multiply both sides by 8. Alright, so I can do that now. Well, when I multiply this times 8, these actually cancel out. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So they cancel out. So I'm left with 5y minus 2. Now I'm going to come over here and multiply 8 times 2 is 16. And look at this. 4 goes into 4.